Hey there! Welcome to a new video where we tackle a common tech problem that many of us have faced at some point. Picture this. You have three devices connected to the same wireless network: a laptop, a desktop, and a phone. On both your laptop and desktop, you're running a simple HTTP server. Everything seems to be working fine, except for one pesky problem that arises when you try to access the server on your laptop from your phone. An error message pops up saying "URL_address_unavailable." What could be causing this frustrating issue? Let's dig into it. In comes a solution. After trying various troubleshooting steps with no success, our problem solver decided to go for the ultimate tech remedy: a simultaneous reboot of the laptop, phone, and router. And voila! That did the trick. The theory behind this fix is that there might have been a glitch or corrupt state in the network stack of one or more devices, which was causing the connectivity issue. A full reboot seemed to refresh everything back to normal. To sum it up, sometimes the most straightforward solutions are the most effective. In this case, a good old reboot saved the day and restored the connection between a laptop and phone. Technology can be quirky like that, but hey, as long as we have simple fixes, we're good to go. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment with your thoughts or any tech problems you've encountered. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!